Hello everybody! Today we're going to take a close-up look at the Nike Daybreak Type. So let's first take a look around the outside of the box. So in this box is a pair of Nike Daybreak Type, and this pair is in the UK size 9, US size 10 or EU size 44, and it's in the Cactus Flower, Light Bone, Midnight Navy colorway. And now let's go ahead and open up the box by cutting apart the sticky tape that's keeping the box securely sealed and flipping up the box lid to reveal the contents inside, and just giving you a look at the details in the box packaging. And let's pull back the wrapping paper to reveal the Nike Daybreak Type in the Cactus Flower, Light Bone, Midnight Navy colorway. It's right there, giving you a look at the pair of running shoes or trainers. So you can see that very bold magenta that's forming majority of the shoe's color. Let's lift out the left foot side for now. And focus on it. So just setting the box packaging to the left hand side of the frame so we can focus on this left shoe. So as you can see, it does have a kind of underdone design with the mesh-like or mesh cover, and of course that very simple stitching of the Nike swoosh outline. And just taking a look on the underside, we can see that very iconic Nike waffle sole. So this is a vintage style design based on the original 1979 design. So giving you as many looks and aspects as I can. And you can see the Nike sub-branding of the N354. So there is a combination of materials that make up this Nike Daybreak Type. So there are panels of suede with that light bone color. And of course we do have that mesh main panel, and we see that suede heel counter in light bone as well, and the synthetic leather forming the Midnight Navy at the heel tab, and of course the laces as well. It's right there giving you a top-down look at the Nike Daybreak Type in Cactus Flower, Light Bone, and Midnight Navy. Okay, so taking some close-up looks right there at the front or toe of the shoe, and moving right along on up, you can see that very exposed mesh cover along with the rest of the parts of the shoe and the N34 tongue tag. So giving you a look right there. To the various details and aspects. So it does have that very raw finish with the stitching, as you can see. High contrast Midnight Navy against that light bone panel. And once again, we see that very wavy, raw, underdone design. And once again, with that Nike swoosh outline as well. And we see the heel counter extends to the midsole. So it does have a full midsole. So it's just giving you a look as I press down on that midsole with my thumb. And the iconic rubber waffle outsole or sole. Just giving you a look right there. Mostly square blocks right around. And you can see that US patent registration. So this one is in a UK size 9, US size 10, EU size 44. And just to give you some sense of the size, resting it in my hand. And then let's pop up the stuffing that's keeping the shoe in shape. So we can take a look at the inside details. So right there, there's some information on the tongue tab. And on the inside, we see once again that very raw looking Nike swoosh outline in red on that midnight navy insole insert. And the inner shoe label. And just giving you a top-down look right there. So the ankle liner is nicely padded. Ankle and heel collar nicely padded, and of course with the midsole for lightweight cushioning in foam and that rubber outsole. We're just giving you a complete look right there with a full 360 rotation. So quite bold in color and high contrast with that magenta, light bone and midnight navy. Okay, so that's the left foot side. Let's take a look at the right side. So setting the left shoe down on the right hand side of the frame or table. And now we open the box once again, bring out the rest of the pair, which is the right foot side. Okay. So right here is the right foot side. And we can see that it does come with an extra pair of laces in a very light ivory or that ivory light bone color. And just taking a look once again around the various details of the shoe. So there is a tag there with the N354 details. And just giving you a look right here. And this time around with the extra pair of laces gives you some sense of the possible color combinations with this Cactus Flower light bone midnight navy colorway. And taking a look at the pair together, let's bring the left foot to the foreground and see the pair together side by side. So the Nike Daybreak Type right there, front on. And it does have that consistent raw design, both left and right foot side. All right there, giving you the pair together. And of course, that famous waffle sole on the underside of the shoe. in rubber. And in terms of flexibility, just going to give you a look. So I'm going to set the right foot side down and give you some idea of the flexibility and rigidity of this Nike Daybreak Type with its deconstructed design. It's right there. Flexing and twisting or bending. And just giving you a look as to the mesh. So it's just about see-through. You can see my fingers on the inside pushing out on the side mesh panel onto that swoosh. So right there, you can see, barely make out my fingers, or at least the silhouette, through that nearly see-through mesh panel of the Nike Daybreak Type. So that's the Nike Daybreak Type. Thanks for watching and happy walking!